So today we'll be unboxing Pico 4 VR headset. We have like an embossed logo here, Pico, and we just take this up. Yeah, that's right. And as I see, we have another small box here. Right, let's check this small box first. So quick guide, user guide, safety and warranty guide. Then we have inside the cover, then we have this glass spacer, and then the USB-C cable and a charger, quite small charger as well, about 1 meter length of cable. And actually we have a small box here as well. All right, so these are the things probably for the controller. That's everything in this box. Now let's take the headset out. I can see it's quite nice looking. These are the controllers. I do feel like premium controllers, and they actually have like a pattern on them, so they are more grippy, which is interesting, similar to the PS5 controllers, and they have like a weight to them. This adds to the premium feel of them. Let's check the star of this show. Gorgeous black. So it's really lightweight, not that heavy, but it's really like balanced because we have the battery on the back. Let's take all these things out first. We have quite a few things to take out to unstick, basically. So we have this 12 megapixel front camera, which will allow us to have color processor unlike the MetaQuest 2. Two cameras here and two on top, similar to MetaQuest 2. And we have two microphones here. And here appears to be like a vent on top as well, so this will be well vented. Then we have the USB-C here, and unfortunately we don't have a jack to connect it here. We have the button here and the LED light, and we still have some things to unstick here. Oh, we forgot about the lenses, those gorgeous big lenses. What I also like about this is that you can just push it up. This hinge is like really nice and it's really smooth. Also another thing, this is like magnet, and you can really easily take it out and then change it with something else or add your glasses spacer. Really cool. And look at how thin this is. So that's the whole headset, lens and everything, processor and display, everything. That's because the battery is in the back. Really nice, adjustable. We also have these two buttons for volume here, and speakers right here on the side, right and left, and this Velcro strap. Right, let's first start with the controllers, and you need to take these things off. You need first to like just unlock them. It has like a small button here, and then you can take the batteries out. I love that it has two batteries. You don't need to buy them. You can actually see a light right there, and let's do the same for this one. You just press this button, it goes out, this thing is out. Nice and easy, two batteries inside, connected.